So today we wanted to show you the new and improved 2018 For Moms Breeze. Now they did make some improvements from the last version and I actually really like them. Don't sound so surprised about that. This is actually the Breeze Plus. So what they did, as you can see, the bassinet is now only takes up half, whereas the original or the classic Breeze was the whole thing. I also like the design of it also because it's a little bit deeper instead of being more shallow. So I'm less concerned about baby being able to roll out. Now the Plus version comes with a bassinet, but then you also get your changer. And this is nice just to bring your baby up a little bit closer so you don't have to bend down so much to change your baby. Okay, so how it works, it just has fabric that tucks around the perimeter of the portable crib. And then you have these little plastic clips all the way around. So it's super easy to put on and take off, which is great. Okay, just like that. And then you have your mattress insert for your bassinet, like that. So it's gonna fold up nice and small so that you can pack it up in the travel bag. So in order to collapse, obviously you're gonna need to take your mattress out. And then if you haven't seen it before, prepare to be amazed. You're just going to pull up on the strap in the center of the crib, pull straight up, and it stands when folded. And that's another one of my favorite features, that it does that. So really you can just tuck it away in the corner. And then to open it up again, you just push down on the middle. So as you can see, super easy execution, and you really don't even need to instruct grandma or babysitters on how to do it. It's very intuitive. So overall, we think this is a fantastic portable crib. Execution is the easiest that I found on the market. So that's something that you want to look for when shopping for a portable crib. And some things to consider: when you pack it up in a travel bag, it's a little bit large. It's not going to be super compact, and it's a little on the pricey side, especially when you compare it to some base models on the market. But I think it's totally worth it. First of all, I love the one hand open and close. That is just amazing. I love that it stands when folded, which a lot of people don't really consider. I like that I can just tuck it up in the corner of the bedroom without having, it's not gonna flop over on the floor, which is nice. Also, it has a very generous square footage sleeping capacity so that you can use it for larger children without them feeling cramped. So overall, I think it's totally worth the price. And I do love that they offer different levels so that you can buy the one that fits your lifestyle best without having to spend a ton of money. Now, one thing I like to know when shopping for a portable crib is how easy is it to pack up? So let me show you, and let's see how long it takes. So first you'll take the mattress out. And like we showed you, just pull up in the middle. And because it stands when folded, you don't even have to bend over to pack it up, which is great. And honestly, on classic portable cribs by now, like at this point, you're probably still trying to get the sides collapsed. Let me show you what I'm doing. So you just have these Velcro straps. You're gonna feed through these plastic pieces. And you may have noticed by now that it is bigger than your average portable crib. Like I mentioned, however, so much easier to pack up and use. Now it does have 6 straps. It's a bit much. I don't think you need to do all 6. And then you have your travel bag. Slip it over. Fits nice and snug, and you have a nice carrying strap. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Now you can purchase all 3 models at babycubby.com, where everything ships for free, and you can earn rewards on all purchases. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and even subscribe so that you can stay updated with the latest and greatest. Enjoy your trip.